Hello everyone, welcome back to BPO interview tutorials, and today we came up with an interesting concept that is on how to use TOCOL function in the MS Excel. So before moving to the video, I would request everyone to share, subscribe the channel, click on bell icon so that you will get notification on all the upcoming videos. Also check out our playlist. You will find approximately 300 videos which will help you in cracking interviews on trainers, team leader, quality analyst, WFM analyst, people management, Six Sigma certifications, operation managers. Many more videos are there, guys. Please do check all the playlist, crack your interviews. You will also find MS Excel reports, dashboards, and Looker Studios and many more videos. So do check, guys. And today let's start the video on TOCOL function. Basically you have a list here. You can see like list 1, list 2, list 3 and list 4, and you have a certain names here. Your manager told that he or she want all these names in one particular row, in one particular column, sorry. So how we can do that? So the function is TOCOL, done, bracket open, and you will choose don't select the title, just select all the names and bracket close and enter. You can see here all the name from Pravesh to Satish, everything is here. Let me change one name here, Rahul. If I change anything here, automatically the things will get changed here also. With this you can easily get all the names in the columns. So do check out, guys. This function is really helpful and really useful when you create any of the data or reports. So let's try this, and please also let me know the feedbacks and comments if this is working, not working, you're facing any challenges, or else this really helped you. So let me know all your answers, guys. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.